our instrument. To assess the reliability of our instrument, we conducted a test using Pearson correlation.
Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to share with you the research we've been working on, titled Understanding User Perspective and Preferences on Bus and Shuttle, Human-Centered Design Approach to Attract New User, Ticket.com study. Before we begin, let me introduce the team member who played a key role in this research. First, our supervisor, Ms. Rian Lendros, provided invaluable guidance through the project. I'm Reni, and worked closely with my friend Asari to bring this research to fruition. Together, we collaborated on every stage of the process to ensure its success. In this presentation, I will share a detailed agenda that begins with sharing the background and context of the research. I will explain the problem we aim to solve. From there, I will move on to discussing the methodology we use, present the main findings, and conclude with the implications of our result and potential areas for future research. In an era of rapid urbanization and environmental awareness, public transportation systems have become essential in the case of sustainable and efficient mobility. Public transportation plays a crucial role in creating sustainable communities. The implementation of an online ticket booking system exemplifies the application of information technology. Consequently, online ticketing simplifies the process for passengers to plan their trip. Ticket.com, launched in 2012, aims to accommodate seamless access for online travel booking and already built for more than 15 million users globally. One of the services from Ticket.com is the bus and shuttle, and the main factor that drives people preference for using this transportation is the extensive network of bus operators. This wide selection allows travelers to choose terminals in various regions, minimizing the need for multiple transfers and offering more competitive ticket price. And then, the problem identification. We have 3 items that we need to answer in this research. The first one, what information does the user need to complete a transaction when selecting bus and shuttle service? The second one, what psychological needs are related to digital solution for bus and shuttle service? And the last one, what is the best way to prepare and communicate information appropriately to meet this need optimally? And for the methodology, we have 2 items that we used in this research. The first one, ethnographic UX research. Ethnographic research in psychology involves studying groups of people in natural settings to understand the social meanings derived from daily routines through direct researcher involvement. This method emphasizes the importance of understanding a group culture from the participant's perspective to comprehend their behaviors, values, emotions, and mental states. Researchers must build strong relationships with participants and maintain ongoing communication to align research goals with the community vision. The second one, system usability scale is a quantitative measurement tool to assess the usability of a system. The tools consist of 10 questions with 5-point Likert scale, where scoring is done by subtracting 1 for odd-numbered question and subtracting the score from 5 for even-numbered questions, resulting in a scale from 0 to 4. The total score is then multiplied by 2.5 to obtain the final SUS score. Average SUS score from 500 study is 68, with score above 68 considered acceptable and scores below 68 considered poor. And then about result and improvement. The research population consists of users of the Ticket.com application with total 18,000 users who have downloaded the app from the App Store. The sampling technique employed in this study is simple random sampling by using Slovene formula. We determine the sample for this study is 100 respondents. And then the data demographic that collected for this study reveals that 61% of the participants were male, while the remaining 39% were female. For the age range of participants, at most 70% were in the age range of 31 to 40 years. Understanding the demographic distributions help us contextualize the data as people may have different perspective, preference, or behavior. Then, my friend Asari will take over this and share the remaining parts of the presentation.
Thank you, Rini, for covering the insightful overview. Now I'll be taking us to the next part of the presentation. Now, we'll move into the result of our validity testing, where we use 5% of significance level to test 10 variables of SUS, and I'm pleased to report that all R count values are above the R table value, meaning that each variable is valid and we can proceed to the next stage. Now, let's move on to the reliability of our instrument. To assess the reliability of our instrument, we conducted a test using Pearson correlation with a threshold set at 0.70, which is a commonly accepted standard. Our Cronbach alpha came in at 0.7103, which is just above the threshold. This means that the instrument is reliable and we can trust that the results of our SUS are consistent. Having confirmed the validity and reliability of our testing instrument, let's take a look at the actual user satisfaction obtained from SUS questionnaire. The average SUS score we obtained was 74.67, which exceeds the standard benchmark of 78. This score falls into good category or equivalent to a grade B. It indicates that user generally satisfied with the current UI of Ticket.com app. With this encouraging feedback, we can now move forward to explore our proposed enhancement. First, in the search location, we add a feature that allows users to search the nearest pool based on their current live location. It simplifies the search process and faster access. And second, in the result page, we remove the orange monotonous components and we introduce the best schedule recommendation section based on the fastest route and cheaper price. And third, in the product detail page, we add rating and review section to show the vendor credibility and help the user make an informed decision. Fourth, still in the product detail page, we improve the travel route section and integrating travel point with the Google Maps to reduce the back and forth between Ticket and Google Maps, and a user can plan and view their travel effectively. And we use with the improved user, we also conducting a usability test with 15 participants using Maze app to evaluate effectiveness. The testing resulted in 80% of success rate, which shows that most participants were able to complete the task and navigate the new design successfully. This high success rate indicates that our proposed enhancements are user-friendly and meet the design objective. With the encouraging result, we are in strong position and proceed with implementing the proposed design. Now, let's summarize the finding and recommendation from our research. Our evaluation showed that Ticket.com SUS score median is 74.67, or indicating a good level of user satisfaction. Additionally, the usability testing of the proposed design resulted in 80% of success rate, reflecting a notable improvement in user experience. However, there is still potential to enhance our research further. We suggest incorporating additional data collection and such as in-depth interview to gain a more complete understanding of the user needs. For the next steps, we recommend that Ticket.com product and development teams implement improvement to the application's interface, including adding detailed travel route information, user rating on the bus shuttle service detail page, and search feature for locating the nearest pool to the user. Now let's take a look at some references that helped our research. And thank you all for taking the time to watch our presentation. We hope the findings and the solution we've shared have been insightful. Have a great day.